camera shine, is it?
Yeah.
Very trusting leaving it on there and walking away.
Yeah.
Well done, well done. Right then, Shane, should you go and find a cup of coffee?
Yeah.
Do you want a cup of coffee, Shane?
I'll be done now, I'm just waiting to go on to
How's your mum?
She's alright.
Good?
Yeah.
Sister?
Yeah. She's now got a dog.
Has she?
Yeah. Yeah, give me a second.
Oh, good one then.
Yeah.
Well, this is Shane, used to ring at ARRETON.
Right.
Not so well at the moment, so he can't ring. He also is a musician, and he used to pull backwards and forwards pieces, didn't he?
Yeah.
He's got quite a lot of stuff that he's sent home with stuff with his family. What else has he got? He's got quarters, tractors, speed rollers, all sorts of out there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can't ring at the moment, but you're musically minded.
Yeah.
Yeah, he used to play these boxing
Yeah.
books,
Piano chord.
You ever done any tune ringing on handbells?
Yeah.
You have? Because we're trying to get a handbell group started.
Oh right, that's
Yeah.
good.
Yep.
How do you think you've managed with that? Or do you have to see the doctor? It's down here that it pulls.
That's the problem, yeah.
Yeah, it's just
If it's that way,
it's just
down.
like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
And that you needn't ring heavy end ones, because
Right.
some of them are a little bit heavy on on the wrists after a while. But if you rang you usually have a pair, and as you get better, you would maybe be in charge of a pair plus 2 semitones that go with them, which might mean if you can get the hang of it, putting the 2 bells in one hand and ringing one way and one that way. You see? So you have your naturals that way and your sharps that way. Or sometimes if they don't play too big a part in the piece, you can put down a bell and pick up, and then put it down again and pick your other one back up. Do you see?
Yeah.
You have a table in front of you with your bells when you're not ringing,
Oh right.
and it's all done by numbers.
Oh.
Each bell's given a number. So let's say you might have 5 and 6.
Yeah.
So you'd be looking at for 5 and 6 on the. You've got oblong, long boxes in blocks of 3 or 4, and the music's laid out like that.
It's a bit similar to when we used to do carol ringing, but not quite the same, but same principle.
Oh right.
Yeah. The other thing you need to know too, Martin is a very experienced bell hanger,
Oh really?
engineer and goodness knows what. So, and he likes to have mini rings, and I think there might be a mini ring in the office.
Oh yeah, I've got a mini ring, but they're not hung at the moment because at the moment my garage and workshop, we've got a double garage, but we're having it extended out the back to make so I've got a workshop. When the garage is done, and we've got rid of all the asbestos roof sheets that are in it, I'm going to be hanging the bells in one end, enclosed in like a wooden box, so that they're loud just below where you ring them, but they won't annoy the neighbours. I've got 12 with a tenner of about £11.
Because you were asking about handbells being made into mini rings at one point, weren't you?
was,
So, and I said I don't know a lot about that sort of thing, but anyway.
But anyway, we're going to be starting handbell practices on Sunday evenings at our house.
Yeah,
Oh, good.
Which is
at Rooksley now.
in Rooksley.
So not far from you.
right, that's
Shane
good.
lives not far outside of Godsill.
Oh, well, there you are, it's not very far at all, is it?
Are you alright to drive still?
Yeah.
Yeah, check with your mum, because she knows about your medical stuff.
Yeah.
And if she wants any more information, I can maybe get Martin to give her a ring or something if he doesn't mind. I'm going to be away for a couple of weeks, that's what otherwise I could sort of act as middleman.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Do you have email?
It's good to have ringing friends, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
But he's got email. If you can you drop him an email with my email and phone numbers
Alright.
on it, and
Yeah.
then
I don't think I've got your email address, so I'll take it later.
Yeah, okay.
Because we always text, don't we?
Yeah, we
He's
do.
always ringing me or texting me in the middle of the night, about 3 in the morning.
Yeah.
But it's good. And this is Max and this is Kira. This is Shane. He's got a special birthday coming up soon.
Yeah.
Isn't Shane? And these two very good winners now they're getting to be.
Oh, that's
In
good.
Harrisburg. You put in Harrisburg. So yeah.